Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look if you can use cellular data while airplane mode is turned on your iPhone device. So at the moment you can see I have airplane mode switch on, and if I try to use cellular data, it will basically turn off. So if I tap on the back key here, you can see it will shortly switch off. So if I swipe up to go back to my home screen, and then I tap on settings. In settings, at the top here, I can tap on airplane mode. You can see if the airplane mode is switched off, mobile data and Wi-Fi is turned on. And if I turn on airplane mode, everything gets turned off. And if I go into cellular right here and tap on cellular data, now if I try to switch it on, and if I tap on the back key at the top, you can see that cellular will automatically switch off again. So this means that if airplane mode is turned on, it is not possible to use cellular data. So no matter what you try, no matter what you do, it's just simply not possible to use cellular data when the airplane mode is on. So yeah, and if you try, then it won't work because that's just the way the phone has been designed to work. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.